About time. We're in one piece, so.
Ready?
Or you let the
Seven and a half? The fuck? Let's say 680.
Oh! So the car is twin turboed now. It's got a brand new motor. Trans is still stock. It's still a stock motor, but it does have some upgraded timing components and such. We did a battery relocate. It's got motion raceway catch can. Yeah, it's ready to rock and roll. Yeah, everything else hasn't really changed. It's extremely dirty. It's been sitting at the shop for probably almost 9 months. But just got finished tuning with the tune maker and ready to make some test hits. Did one test hit last night on map 2 and it completely blew the tires off on the highway. So we also have new tires. They're over at the shop. We just got to go put them on. Probably gonna do map 2 once we have the new tires on, because this thing's just blowing them off. But yeah, we're gonna go test out map 1, see if we can get a map 2 hit without, you know, completely blowing them off. But yeah.
I think you got enough fucking tire on the back.
Well, that's like 3 tires. That's like 3 tires and 1 back there. But yeah, let's hit Mexico up.
Bro, I really hope you don't kill me now.
Map 1.
Well, for the fact of I'm gonna die,
You're not. No. No.
a little bit.
Uh-oh. Maybe not die, but maybe go to jail.
Nah, we got it.
So
It wasn't bad.
What are your thoughts on map 1?
I'm scared for map 2.
Did it feel like NA or did it feel quicker than when it was NA?
It felt a little better. It felt
Like a 250 horse quicker?
nah, not really.
I know, right? It feels weird. I think we're just still spinning.
I don't know. I mean, if you listen closely, it does low-key sound like you're kicking up rocks a little bit. I mean,
Yeah.
there's an officer nearby.
Map 2?
Fuck it.
Okay.
So is this when I scream for help?
If you feel like it, yeah.
Okay.
A lot of rocks.
What the fuck?
Let's turn that down. Too much sauce.
A little too much.
Motherfucker's spinning the whole way fucking down the highway.
Yeah, they're a little warm and a little sticky.
A little scary.
So yeah, we're currently just letting her cool off at a rest stop, but does look good. Still waiting on turbo guards to come in. The filter fits on this side, but over on this side, this one doesn't fit because of the ABS, and the turbo is just a little bit farther up. But yeah, turbo guards are coming. New tires. Gotta take this thing to get a fucking bath. This turbo was leaking oil, but we did fix the issue. It's just got residual oil on there. It's still burning off, but yeah, she looked good.
We're gonna go this way. Try and, stay away from them boys as much as possible.
Thought we were in Mexico.
We are in Mexico. Mexico has cops too. It's a lot of rocks.
Yeah, you think? They definitely looked at our location and said, yeah, they're in jail.
Yeah, probably. Alright, let's properly enter the highway.
It was a nice smooth exit. We'll enter onto the highway. I felt that too.
I think we're done with bulls when we get them tires on.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
How you doing, buddy?
How you doing?